We shared a bottle on the steps. The ice was cracking from the heat. You laughed and spun the metal cap. I watched the bubbles rise and meet. The sunset turned your shirt all gold. You asked me why I didn't speak. I said the heat was getting old, but really I was feeling weak. A summer love like soda